So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a column in MS Planner. So the first thing you want to do once you're logged into your Microsoft Planner account is to go on the left side of the screen. You will check out my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios, and the tab you want to click on is my plans. Afterwards, you'll see a couple of plans added on here, or you can just click on new plan in the bottom left of the screen and make sure that you click on premium plan since this is the only type of plan that offers you columns. So from here, let's open one of those premium plans. And on there, you just need to add a task. So by adding a task in the grid view, so again, you'll need to click on this icon right here and add a task. Once you've added a task, just name it something. And on there, let's swipe all the way to the right. And you will see some options like bucket, complete right here, priority, and you can see the option add column with the plus sign. If I click on that, you can see the options like adding a new field, labels, dependencies, goals, outline number, effort completed, effort remaining. So you can really do a lot of things by adding a new column. Most likely it's going to be just a new field, something that will give you some insight to what kind of task that is, or something that you want to make that task a bit more special. You can do through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.